Hi folks, we're here watching the SASSYBrass rifle case annealer. We have this one configured with the Dillon case feeder off the XL650. We've unbolted it from the XL650 and repositioned it over on the SASSYBrass unit. And we're going to be loading up some cases and showing you how they work together in concert so we can reutilize some of the features that you already have and you probably already own on the XL650. So we're going to process these cases and get started here. I'm going to load up some cases. I got I don't know, about 50 cases that we're going to dump in the hopper. I'm going to position the empty basket on the catch eject port. Go ahead and start up the cases. What I like to do is go ahead and hold the cases and just let them get stacked up here a little bit before we get started. Get a few cases in the hopper down in the down tube. Make some adjustments to the torches here. Cases are ready. We'll go ahead and start up the SASSYBrass unit. It'll be bringing the cases onto the annealing station, and it will be rotating them as it's annealing those cases to make sure we have a nice even annealing. So let's get down onto the SASSYBrass unit here. And we'll get a little zoom in for you so you can see them. So the cases are being rotated as they're going through the annealing process. They're advancing. The timing in which the annealing happens is fully adjustable. The heat is fully adjustable, of course, by the torches, and we can adjust the temperature or the direction of them where we're annealing, and we want to get just below the neck, the bottleneck on the cases, and get that annealed to ensure that we have a proper annealing on the top part of the case only. We have that nice even temperature happening around the cases. They're being advanced and ejected out the eject port and into the catch bin. The SASSYBrass unit can accommodate many lengths of cases. As long as your case is within a 0.60 diameter, we can run it through on the standard SASSYBrass unit. If you have cases that exceed that 0.60 tolerance, such as dangerous game, and we have the dangerous game model that is adjusted to accommodate dangerous game loads, such as the 470 nitro and 500 nitros. Hope you enjoyed the video. We have additional information available to you at www.sasssybrass.net as well as www.sasssybrass.com. Appreciate any comments that you will do, and if you like this video, please like it, give us some comments, enjoy the feedback, and look forward to talking to you again in the future.